Hello everyone, I Akanksha Mishra welcomes you all to our YouTube channel TNV Academy. If you are new here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos on ISO standards, aerospace technology and quality systems. In today's video, we are diving into a fascinating application of an ISO standard that might surprise you. We are talking about how ISO 20681-2018, originally designed for mechanical engineering, is being used in deep space missions. Yes, outer space and international standards have more in common than you think. So let's explore this. What is ISO 20681? First, a quick refresher. ISO 20681-2018 defines how to structure and illustrate digital models to replace traditional 2D technical drawings. This standard ensures that a 3D model isn't just a visual, but a complete definition of a product, including geometry, tolerances, annotations, and metadata. Why ISO 20681 in space? So why is this important for deep space missions? In space exploration, especially long-duration missions like Mars rovers, lunar bases, or satellite servicing, every component must be precisely designed, digitally documented, and easily interpreted by international teams. Using ISO 20681 allows engineers to create model-based definitions, or MBDs, that serve as the single source of truth for mechanical parts used in spacecraft, habitats, robotics, and even 3D printed tools on orbit. Benefits in space projects. Let's talk about the benefits. Digital continuity. ISO 20681 supports full digital continuity, meaning every stakeholder from NASA to ESA to private contractors can access and interpret 3D product data without relying on 2D drawings. Accuracy and reliability. When you are building a rover that has to survive on Mars, even the tiniest tolerance matters. ISO 20681 ensures tolerances, finishes, and materials are all clearly embedded in the model, reducing risk. Faster production with 3D printing and in-situ manufacturing becoming common on space stations and lunar services. Faster production with 3D printing and in-situ manufacturing becoming common on space stations and lunar surfaces. ISO 20681 ensures that 3D models are ready for automated fabrication. International collaboration. Deep space missions involve multi-agency teams across the globe. A standardized model-based definition removes language and documentation barriers. Real-world use case. Imagine a spacecraft flying to Jupiter's moon, Europe. Midway through the mission, a part breaks. Using ISO 20681 compliant models, the ground team sends a fully defined 3D file to the onboard manufacturing unit. The part gets 3D printed and replaced. No 2D drawings, no misinterpretation, no delay. That is the power of a fully digital standardized design model. Challenges and future. Of course, using ISO 20681 in space comes with challenges. Models must be extremely robust, metadata must include space-specific details, and all systems must integrate with aerospace tools. But as we move toward Mars missions and permanent lunar infrastructure, ISO 20681 could become a core standard for engineering in space. We can say that ISO 20681 isn't just for factories. It is helping shape the future of space exploration. It offers precision, clarity, and full digital integration. And it might just be the foundation for how we build and fix things millions of kilometers from Earth. Pretty exciting, right? If you found this video helpful or inspiring, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment if you want a video on other ISO standards used in aerospace. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep looking up and thinking forward.